Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video, we will show you the boiled egg diet for week 2. So watch the video till the end to get proper diet. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. The boiled egg diet is a high protein, low calorie, and low carbohydrate diet that is designed to aid weight loss. Eggs induce satiety and reduce short-term food consumption, leading to weight loss. Along with eggs, you will have other high-fiber, healthy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds to shed the fat without compromising on nourishment. The boiled egg diet is a 2-week diet plan that requires you to have a maximum of 2 boiled eggs per day with other nutritious foods. This is a 2nd-week diet plan. If you don't watch the first week diet plan, then check out the link in the description or in the I button. Boiled egg diet plan, week 2. Day 1, Monday. Breakfast, vegetable quinoa plus 1 cup green tea plus 4 almonds. Lunch, boiled egg salad with iceberg lettuce, cherry tomatoes, kale, olive oil, herbs, and spices. Dinner, cucumber soup plus grilled fish/tofu. Day 2, Tuesday. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs plus 1 banana plus 1 cup milk. Lunch, 3 lettuce tuna/tofu wraps with veggies and a few pistachios plus 1 cup chilled coconut water. Dinner, millets cooked in vegetable/chicken broth plus veggies plus 1 piece of 80% or more dark chocolate. Day 3, Wednesday. Breakfast, 2 open sandwiches made with 2 hard-boiled eggs, tomato, avocado, and black sesame seeds plus 1 cup green tea. Lunch, a bowl of fruit salad with feta cheese, lime juice, mint leaves, and a little bit of black pepper. Dinner, kidney bean chili plus half pita bread plus cucumber, carrot, and beetroot. Day 4, Thursday. Breakfast, 2 soft-boiled eggs plus 4 strips of bacon plus half cup baked beans plus 1 cup green tea. Lunch, roasted cauliflower soup plus 3 ounces grilled fish. Dinner, raw vegetable salad with cabbage, yellow and red bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrot plus 2 ounces shredded herb chicken plus 1 cup milk with a pinch of turmeric. Day 5, Friday. Breakfast, banana smoothie. Lunch, half cup brown rice plus 2 boiled eggs, curried plus 1 small cup sautéed veggies plus 1 cup yogurt. Dinner, pasta and meatballs plus 1 cup buttermilk. Day 6, Saturday. Breakfast, 2 boiled eggs plus 1 cup orange juice plus 4 almonds. Lunch, 1 bowl of fruit salad, avoid mango and grapes. Dinner, 1 bowl chicken soup with veggies. It's last day of diet, day 7, Sunday. Breakfast: 1 small bowl of oatmeal plus 1 cup green tea plus 2 almonds. Lunch, 1 bowl with 2 hard-boiled eggs. Dinner, kidney bean chili plus cucumber slices plus 1 cup coconut water. Basic guidelines to follow the 2-week boiled egg diet. Take your doctor's/dietitian's permission. Follow it for 2 weeks for the best results. Eliminate all refined and processed grains. Adhere to the diet plan. Do light exercises. Consume at least 1200 to 1500 calories per day, depending on your age, height, current weight, activity level, current medications, etc. Have the right mindset to start this diet plan. Thank you for watching our video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more diet plans and videos.